Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and today on Firebird Friday, we're installing the felt strips on the 1967 Pontiac Firebird 400 door. So if you've never done this before, let me show you how, because it can get a little tricky trying to put in the 4 pieces on a door. So with that, I'm going to shut up and let's get to wrenching on this week's episode of Firebird Friday. All right, so the first one to go in is this one with the little tab right here. It's actually going to go onto the outside edge of our door. And there's going to be little slots that you can get. See, here's the inner side. There's little slots here. Those same slots are over on this side as well. So all you got to do is just kind of line them up. And you'll start to see that each one of these little clips, they just kind of get in there, and then they're going to pop right into place. You're just going to push it straight down, kind of get it lined up. And just push it down. And you're going to feel it clip. Into place. There it is. That one's in now. See this like blue like shoe right here? Well, that is a little protective cover. There it is. And then you can just pull that right off to reveal the chrome underneath. Bam, all right, there's the first one. Let's get the next one done. Okay, next one is going to be that inner one. Kind of the same principle here. Those tabs go into little slots. So it's super easy to do. You're just going to line up those slots. And then once you have them lined up, again, it's just a simple push down. And you're going to feel it pop into place. Just like that. Okay. Now, that one's done. Let's do the back one. Now, this one here was the one that I was kind of iffy on. I didn't quite know how this worked. But the one with the little flag, it goes on the outside with the flag towards the back. And then, of course, then this one here goes on this way. So let's show you how to do that. Now, there is a screw right here. So if you replaced it or lost it, there's a screw right there. And this kit does come with new screw sets. All right, so as we talked about, the flag goes towards the back here. All right, snap it in. And snap it into place. There it is. Snapped in. That little flag then rides out here. Now you can see I'm using a tool because that window sometimes gets over on this side. But we're almost done. We just got one more to put in. And it goes in just like this. So again, you're going to look at your tabs. Follow your tabs. All right, so it looks like I'm going to pull this seal out. There we go. It's in. Snapped in all the way. Look at that. We got all the seals in. Hell yeah. Up it goes. All right, guys, as you can see, I have the felts in. They look great. They fit great. Perfect for the finish up this restoration. Oh, hi, Mags. What you doing? You gonna give that kisses? You want to say hi to everyone? You want to say hi to everybody? You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Yeah, yeah. Well, you better get down. Yes. Well, I better take care of puppies. So if you enjoyed this video on how to install the felts on your first generation Firebird or Camaro, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. And if you're working on a car, comment down below what you're working on. Maybe I can help you answer a question you have about restoring your classic first generation F-body car. So until next Friday, have a great one and enjoy the ride, because these classics, they're not everywhere.